Mighty Bellway out of the river, and you got your white shoes on.
What is that? A train?
That's a train. There's bugs back here. I don't like bugs. Oh, I'm just kidding. Man. I don't think there's any deer back here. You think there's any deer?
Nothing.
Should we get our shotguns or a bow?
Yeah.
Should Daddy get his bow and arrow?
Daddy, I just looked.
That's just the train. What do you see? Huh?
Yeah.
Beep, beep. Chugga, 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 chugga. Choo, choo. Alright, go on. Go straight. Go straight. Oh, river's up. There's the river. Okay, wait here. Is that the river? Is that the MISSISSIPPI? There's the train. There's a boat. Oh, you're fine. I got you. There's the Bayview Bridge and the Memorial Bridge. And there's the train bridge. Now repeat that, go MISSISSIPPI. Here's one. Jump. Jump. Don't get in the water. We're not getting that close, are we? There's Missouri. Is that Missouri over there? Should we fire our cannons at Missouri? Well, I'm coming. Where are we going?
I want to play this thing.
No, we're not playing this in. Let's go back over by our cabin. Left. No, there you go. Good girl.